This dish we call Laab. In English we call Laab. So in front of me, that's all the ingredients I'm gonna put it in. The first one is ground pork. Ground dried chili. A little bit of sticky rice that not been cooked yet. Lamb. Red onion. Fish sauce. And mint. So what I do, I'm going to put the sticky rice on the pan. What you have to do, you have to stir them around until they get brown and gold. Almost burned, because we're gonna use them for smell and taste. I didn't use any oil, but just keep stir around so the rice not get burned. Now you can see the rice turn the color to brown and gold, and you can smell the rice. So that means it's good. So I'm gonna put this in here and just let them sit in there for now. And then the next part that I'm going to do is I'm gonna put this ground pork in a pan to cook them. It might stick on the pan because it's nothing, no oil, but soon that you stir enough, the oil from the pork will just come out, so you don't have to use the oil. So just keep stirring. It's about almost 10 minutes. Depends how high of your stove is, but my stove is probably medium, so I'm not burning the pork. I let the oil come out slowly, so it's nice and cook all around. The good thing of the pork is very tasty and everybody loves it. But the bad thing is if you not cook them good enough all the way through, it might give you a little bit of stomachache or the food poisoning. So be careful about those. Between that we wait for the meat to be cooked, I'm gonna show you how to do the sauce. But before I'm going to sauce, I'm going to this sticky rice that I just cooked earlier. Now sit here, and I'm gonna ground them, to use this thing to ground them. If you don't have this stuff in your kitchen, you can use the blender. So now I ground them. Use a little bit of muscle. Just stir them around. Don't beat them until it's very small. I just want to be a test, so just ground them to make them a small piece. Now you can see right here, it's medium size. That's good enough. And now I'm going to make the sauce. The first, I use the lamb. I think one lamb should be enough. So use one lamb to add the sour. So now I have red onion that take off the skin, so you can see a difference is just took the shell out here, take them out like this, and then I'm gonna chop them small piece. And then dry chili that been ground. You can buy this in Chinatown, it's in the package. So I like it spicy, and I put like 1 tablespoon, and then two tablespoons of fish sauce, and then mix them together, and a little bit of white sugar. So I'm gonna put them about half of teaspoon. And now I'll come back to my meat in the stove. See, it's not burning because I put them in the medium heat. So now it's been cooked. You can see how different of color is. Now my meat is been cooked, so I'm gonna put them in my pot that I have sauce, lots of favorite already. And then I'm going to add my sticky rice. I use them about 2 tablespoons. I like them, so use some more. 3.5 tablespoons. After I mix the meat and the sauce together, again, I'm gonna taste them. Because this is a good thing of Thai food, you can make your own taste. So I'm gonna taste them. You can taste the sticky rice, onion, sour of lamb, but not salty. I'm gonna add some more fish sauce. It's about half a tablespoon. I'm gonna add more spice because I am a Thai and I like spice. If you don't like spice, don't add more spice because this is tastes very good. So I'm gonna add more spice, about half of tablespoon. Mix them together again. And I'm gonna taste again. Let's see, is my taste or not? Home? No, it smells good. Wow. Very tasty. Last part, I'm gonna put some mint on it. I put the mint on, adds more flavor and smell and tasty and healthy. But don't forget to clean the vegetable first. That is make more healthier. So I put a lot of mint because they give you a lot of flavor and smell. And I love mint. It's healthy stuff. and then I'll mix them again. So in my hand it's a kind of vegetable. We call in Thai it's ผักกาดขาว We use them to eat with Laab. So what we do, we just chop the big part in the bottom out, and on top left, and then you just pick the leaf of this kind of vegetable, and put the Laab inside. Wrap it and eat. It's very good. The final product is in front of me right here. What we call in Thai is Laab. What we call in English is Laab too.